My name is Jessica Lee. I'm currently a 6th grader at Terralina Middle School. Today I will talk about the roller coaster I created and show you how it works. A roller coaster is a ride that uses energy to propel you through a track. To create my roller coaster, I used cardboard to create the tracks and hot glue to make them stick together. Here's how my roller coaster works. First, I started the roller coaster by making a drop so it can go down the tracks without stopping. Then I built a curve and added more cardboard to make straight tracks. Finally, I added some little drops to build potential energy. After I finished prototyping my first design, I tested it with a ping pong ball. My roller coaster could keep the ball on track, however, it didn't have enough kinetic energy to keep the ball moving. So I iterated my design by making the straight tracks shorter so the ping pong ball won't lose as much energy. Here's the second iteration of my prototype. Let me show you how it works with the ping pong ball.